Hello friends, glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. If you have toilet paper rolls, don't rush to throw them in the trash. In this video I will show you various ways to use them, and perhaps you will like some of the tips. If you want your trash can to stay dry and smell fresh longer, take some toilet paper rolls and place them in the bottom of the can. Place a few drops of essential oil on top. Toilet paper rolls will absorb all the liquid if the trash bag breaks, reducing the time it takes to clean the can, and you will smell the essential oil every time you open the can. When storing shoes for a long time, be sure to put something inside them to maintain their shape and prevent them from deforming. Take the roll and cut it lengthwise. This will help it take the desired shape more quickly. Now carefully insert the paper roll inside the shoe. This trick will not only help keep the toe caps from deforming, but the paper roll will also absorb excess moisture, preventing unpleasant odors and mold growth. Toilet paper rolls can also be used for organization. To keep wires from getting tangled and to quickly find the one you need, carefully gather the wire and tuck it into the roll. For convenience, you can write on each roll what is contained in it. Thanks to this trick, firstly, you will have odor, and secondly, you will not have to spend a lot of time looking for the right cable or charger. Another interesting way to use rolls. Take hair ties and place them on a roll. This way, the ties will be easily visible, they will all be in one place, and you won't have to search for them in a drawer or bag. Well, if you have a lot of ties, you can sort them by color or type. If you hang your pants on a regular hanger, they will eventually develop unsightly creases. There is a simple and completely free solution to this problem. Take two rolls, cut them lengthwise, and place them on a hanger. Now hang your pants on the hanger. Look, the curve is smoother, so there won't be any creases or stripes on the pants. Vacuuming narrow crevices with a regular vacuum cleaner without a special attachment is very difficult. Small debris and dust always remain in them. Insert the roll into the vacuum cleaner tube. Press the edge flat. Now hold the roll to prevent it from getting sucked into the vacuum cleaner, and you can vacuum those spots that you can't reach with the regular vacuum cleaner. If you have a toilet paper roll and a few receipts or instructions, you can easily make a quick fire starter. Crumple the paper and stuff it tightly into the toilet paper roll. This will create a wonderful and completely free fire starter. You can also make small biodegradable pots for sowing seeds from the rolls. Make 4 cuts, approximately 1 cm long. Next, fold them inward one by one. Tuck the last one inside. This pot is ideal for growing many vegetables and flowers. Don't let toilet paper rolls dry out completely, or they will begin to draw moisture from the soil. When the plant is ready for transplanting, plant it in the ground directly with the pot. This will reduce the shock of transplanting and prevent damage to the roots. Here are some practical tips for using toilet paper rolls around the home. Share your favorite ideas in the comments and suggest your own uses for toilet paper rolls. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.